I'm clipping microphones here.
You're not holding?
No, you won't. Alright, cast, this is Jaslyn's camera. Everybody say hi. This is Jaslynn. Everybody say hi to Jaslynn. Bye, Jaslynn. Oh. There's Mr. Jim.
I love you. I added on. Hi. You had boxes. Yeah, we're gonna conversating. Yeah, don't lose it, okay? What'd you say? Don't lose it. I'm not gonna lose it. Honk Jr. And a couple years from now, we're gonna be looking at this laughing. I am gonna laugh because, I'm gonna laugh. That's why. Okay. Like when I'm about your age. This is my, I think 8th show. What number show is this yours? Third. This like is this your first show or what? I think 18. 18. Oh man, you got me beat. How about you?
3.
Look at me. Camera Bird. He was the one that was taping Jaybird and me. And the camera.
Right.
What show is this? Like what number show? Like is this your first show?
Yep, this is actually my
number.
And that's a wrap.
What the heck?
7.
7? What? Bye. Love you. What show was this? Was this your first show? Third show? What show was this of yours? 6th show. Awesome. Trent, what number show of this was yours? 4th show. Wow. Amateur. Just kidding. What number show of this was yours?
I think like 6 or 7.
I miss you. I'm gonna miss you too. Aww. I'm gonna miss you. Aw, what a cutie pie. He's so freaking cute. And he's embarrassed of his frog. This was the bullfrog and Drake in the show, just so that you guys don't get confused. Not that you can get confused, but if you're one of them dumb people who get confused, well, yeah, he's the frog and he's Drake.
I don't know, maybe 20.